time to set the bobbin case back in. When you pop this out, you can drop this in here a lot of ways that are backwards, but in most of these top load machines, there's one spot where there's a bumper or a check here, and the bobbin case is close to the front of the machine or close to the door where you load it. Get this up out of the way. See, when I put the cover on now, the bobbin case is right where you drop the bobbin in, but if you put the case in backwards here, even though it fits in there, when you go to put this cover on, it won't fit, and you'll see the bobbin hole is underneath the metal plate. So make sure that you get it stuck in there the right way round, so when you go to put that plate back on, it fits properly. There we go. All right, moment of truth. We got a new cord, and we'll see if this powers up. Alright. It seems to think everything is fine. It did not give me an error message. Well, we'll have to find some embroidery stuff and give a test to see if this machine is working. But with a spool pin on, now I can load thread in it to test it. Without that spool pin, I'd have to rig up a spot for the thread to go, and embroidery machines are particularly sensitive to catches in the thread path. So if you are putting your thread in a different spool rig, you need to make sure that you've got a good smooth path for it. You can't just like have thread, you know, propped up someplace else. It needs to be have a good path. So putting the new thread pin on there was a simpler solution than me buying a like big thread rig to test this with.